What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a cloth and paper unboxing, and I cannot wait to show you guys. This is the April sub box for 2026, and I have not actually had a cloth and paper subscription box in a very long time. I just recently decided to give it another try. So we're going to see how this goes. When I ordered this subscription box, I was actually using a half letter planner, but since then I have decided to give Erin Condren a try. That's going to be another video because I actually have an unboxing to do for that as well. For this video, we're just going to unbox this and see what all is in here. All right. And I really do apologize for like the ring light here. You can see it on the table. I wanted you guys to have light and be able to see. Okay, here's everything that comes in the April sub box. I'm just going to set this paper aside. This is the first thing that we have. Cloth and paper magnetic bookmark. I love these things to help mark like where you're at in specific spots in your planner. Yeah, this is a really nice quality. Oh, and it's also like a pen loop. Okay. Yeah, so you can stick your pen. Let me see if I can, let me grab a pen. This is the Sarasa Dry 0.5 pen, and you can just put that down in there. And then this is a magnet, so you can just clip that onto your planner. I really love that. So we're going to set that there. I'm going to wait and open this up here in a second. Then we get a June card. That's pretty cool. This is super cute. I love this. It's like a very thick vellum feel. This, let's see. These are notes, like a sticky note type thing. Let's see. I hope that everybody is having a very good day. I actually was able to get off extremely early today, like so early that I only had to literally go in for an hour and a half because I was in overtime already because I'd worked on Sunday as weekend manager. So I was very excited about being off that early on a Friday. So these are sticky. What are these? Okay. Tear off sticker sheets. You get 6 sheets, 2 of each color, and they're matte. If I wanted to, like here in the example, write out groceries or make a to-do list and put one of these here and just use that as like a check box or whatever. So you could do that. Those are pretty cool. These are triangle stickers, and these are in the black color. These are the high gloss version, and let's see how many pages of stickers that you get. So you get 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you get 4 pages of stickers, and they're like they're almost like plasticky feel, and this is the sticker. So I really hope that this setup right now that I've got going on is actually working, because it took me a minute to even get this set up, because yeah, my overhead clamp actually broke. I'm gonna have to get a new one because I'm actually filming on the Xtra Muse right now. This is probably gonna be like my main filming camera. That's the whole purpose of me getting it, and I'm very excited about it. It's a very good camera. Like, it is so easy to use. It's super small and very compact. So I will definitely have all my stuff that I use as far as creating content linked in the description below, so you can shop my Amazon storefront for that. But anywho, so I hope that you guys are able to see everything because I'm still trying to figure everything out until I can get my new overhead clamp for this. Okay, so we get 4 stickers of this. No, we get 4 sheets of these stickers. So I'm going to lay those there. I actually think... Okay, I don't really know what this is. Okay, actually... It says, Inspiration, the Paper Fortunate Teller. The 2026 Intention Box honors the past while designing for the future. You collect these monthly, like a photo slide as a marker of growth and a tactile reminder that your process is always in motion. Okay, that's... I don't even know if you can really see that. Maybe if I put it back on here, make sure that you're all in... I'm in frame. But that is super cute. I love that. So you can use this as a bookmark kind of thing. This is... Oh, yes, I remember. I actually watched kind of like a preview, the happy hour video where they do the unboxing and talk about the different things. But it has been a minute since I've actually watched it. This is the travel release, like for your stickers. So like you can pull off these stickers here and put them on this paper. You can put this book in your bag, like in your purse or your planner tote or whatever. And like it's an on-the-go planner sticker book. Like how cute and smart is that? We have this plastic cover here, and then your stickers will be here on all the sticker release paper. You get several sheets. You actually get 20 pages, and this is the A5 Slim size. So again, you just put, like, for instance, you put a sticker from here and you would place that there. So you would get all your little stickers and you just throw that in your bag and you're good. I love that. I will definitely be using that. Okay, this is inserts that we're now going to be talking about. Hidden Message Dashboard Duo. And again, this is in the half letter size. Also remember that when you do get your inserts or your dashboards that you will have this plastic film here. I don't really know if you can see it because of the light here, but make sure you peel that off before you... I'm going to just go ahead and peel it off before you stick that in your planner. That's just to protect the dashboard. So you get like this plastic dashboard and this layers on top of here like that. So that's super cute. Okay, this is colored inserts. These are black and then there's white also. Yes. Okay, so let's open these up. Let me see. I'm going to set this dashboard over there so that I don't mess that up. You only get... Okay, there's like multiple colors in here. If I can get it. I don't want to mess up the... You have a black. And then this is like a cream. I don't really know if you can tell the difference. But this is a cream kind of color. And this is more of a white. Like your normal... Of course, cloth and paper has good inserts anyways. As far as what kind of paper that they actually use. But because it has a texture almost to it. But this one has more of a texture to me than this one. This one is more smooth to me. And this one is more smooth also. But you get those 3 different colors there of lined notes pages. And you get a paper pocket folder in the color black. And then you can just stick stuff down in there. I love that. This is our last dashboard and cover set. This is the Intuition cover and dashboard set. Yeah. Okay. And this is also in the color black. Intuition as a quiet guide. And again, remember to flip your dashboards over and peel off the plastic backing, because that's going to protect your dashboard when it was in shipping. So make sure you peel that off. This is your front cover, this is your back cover, and this is your dashboard. Trust what you can't see, what will you discover? And it has all of these cute little things on here, and you would just put the front and the back on there and use that as a cover. Super cute. I need to do my pins. Okay, here they are. This is a wheel. I forgot what exactly that they called this. For instance, this says 35 minutes habits for inspiration, for progress, for abundance. So you would write down habits for abundance, but you would do that for 35 minutes. Has like your allotted time frame, your current routine, reading, winter, change, health, short-term goals, about career. So 35 minutes, we're going to write down our short-term goals relating to whatever career that you're in. That's pretty cool. I don't think I will actually be using this, honestly. I don't know if I think it's a very great idea, but I don't think that I will be using this at all. Okay, here is our pins for the month. This is always one of my favorite things about cloth and paper, is getting new ink pens. I'm a sucker for a good ink pen, and let me tell you, if you have a good ink pen, you better hope that I don't take it. I'm just saying. Just kidding. But seriously, I love a good ink pen. Okay, I'm going to pull out this black lined notes insert here, and we're going to test some pens. This is the mildliner. You get a fine point tip on one end and the extra fine on the other. This is in the color gray. And I'm going to pull out the white notes paper so that you can see what color those are as well. Okay, I'm going to try to zoom you guys in some more. Okay, there's that. And this is on the fine point side, and then the other side is the extra fine. And this is the zebra. It's a zebra pen, but I don't know, because all this other stuff is in Chinese writing, and I don't really know what that says. Okay, is this a black? Yes, this is a black. Okay, I thought maybe this would be a white to do on the black paper, but is this like a calligraphy pen? I don't know. If anybody knows what kind of pen this is, will you drop it in the comments below? Oh. Okay. Well, this is a very different... I think it is a calligraphy pen, but I do not know how to handle it or any of that stuff. Alright guys, I think we are done with everything. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you're going to be using the cloth and paper April sub box, and let me know if you will not be using the April sub box. I would love to know your thoughts and what kind of planner that you're using. Hopefully I'll be able to do a lot more videos like this. I love doing unboxing videos. I love planning, of course. I just love it so much. I'm like addicted to it. I hope you guys have a wonderful Friday and a great weekend. Peace. Bye.